Hello YouTube, it's Lalo over at Game Nerd Country, and welcome to my very first YouTube channel video. So what I want to do today is open up a bundle from the Amonkhet uh, set that just came out. I got this bundle on Saturday, and it is now Tuesday. I couldn't help myself, so I actually opened the box, but I left the boosters intact. Basically, I got some land cards. Got 4 each of the full art nickel bolus lands, so those are pretty cool. It also came with a bunch of these tokens for when you embalm the creatures. Got mummies or zombies. This got an emblem there for Gideon. Bunch of other cool mummies on there. Came with the Amonkhet book, which I really love the books because it's got all the cards in the set. I use it to enhance my other decks or plan out new decks, whatever. It's just easy way to look up your cards, know what they do. Of course, the outside of the box, they have the cool poster thing. There it is. Thinking I don't know, I'm gonna do something cool with that. Hopefully, we'll see it in another video. Also came with this weird box, and I do not understand this box because it doesn't really fit your cards this way. I mean, you kind of got to lay them down. I don't know. They don't really fit in there very well. It's got these weird flaps in there. Can't really see them. But they don't go into anything, and there's a lot of space on the bottom of the box. So this box just kind of sucks. Don't really use it for anything. And the best part of the bundles are the 10 boosters, of course. We're going to be looking through these. We're going to crack them open and check and see if we got anything super awesome in them. So I want some gods or the invocations, of course. All right, well, let's get to it. Got Mighty Leap, Ancient Crab, Desert Ceradon, a bunch of commons, uncommons. Let's see if we can see it better there. Got a Rags to Riches as the rare, basic, and a warrior token. So nothing really too great in that one. But I love boosters because it's kind of like opening a gift on Christmas. You don't know what's in there, but you're opening the outside and hoping to get something really awesome. But in the world of Magic, anything you open is really actually pretty awesome because we love Magic. But finding an invocation or something in there would just be fantastic. Pyramid of the Pantheon, rare artifact. Zombie tokens. Basic land. Trying to still find the right angle there. The Wander in Death is pretty cool. I'm right now currently going to a Magic League at my LGS, and I got a couple of these. And it's nice to use with the creatures that have cycling. You can use them early on in the game to draw better cards, and then you can get your creatures back with Wander in Death. You can cast them back out, or you can use them to cycle again. I made it work in my deck there at the league. Oh, there we go. Bontu the Glorified, legendary creature god, mythic rare with menace indestructible. It can't attack or block unless a creature died under your control this turn. And pay 1 in a swamp, sacrifice another creature, you can scry 1, each opponent loses a life, you gain a life, and at the same time that activates his ability to attack and block. And then the weird little punch out cards, which I actually have been using, it's really not too bad. Kind of weird though, because never seen anything like that in Magic before. I'm gonna leave the sound of the packs opening on this video too, because I love that sound. Some of the other YouTube channels I watch, when they open them, they mute it, just have like music in the background. But I really love the sound of those cracking open. Anointed Procession, enchantment rare, and another full art. Oh, I love these full arts. Zombie token. I think I've probably seen a tormenting voice in one of these packs that I've opened. I'll have to look back and check though. Dispossess. That was an artifact hate there, probably to have answers to Ether Revolt and Kaladesh. Glory-bound Initiate. Another rare. When you exert him, gets a +1/+3 and gains lifelink until end of turn. The exert mechanic's pretty cool. A lot of the creatures that I have in my league deck right now either have the exert or cycle on them, so it's worked out for me pretty well so far. Did kind of the same thing for the pre-release as well. Which the pre-releases are probably my most favorite events to attend. Everybody's kind of on the same page. If you've been keeping up with the spoilers, and you kind of know what to expect. If not, then you'll be totally lost, like I was with the Eldritch Moon. Ooh, there we go. Got a foil. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Another full art land. And a zombie token. 3 more packs to go. So 3 more chances to get something really awesome. Archfiend of Ifnir. Rare, 5/4 demon with flying. When you cycle or discard a card, put a 1/1 counter on each creature your opponents control. Huh. That'd be kind of cool to have in my league deck right now, actually. Maybe I'll crack one of those in one of the packs I'll be getting next week. Sweltering Suns. Rare, deals 3 damage to each creature. Cycling 3. That's kind of a nice card. Alright, last pack. Woo! Let's see. That tormenting voice again. It's like always the first one on there. I need one of these for one of the decks I'm planning on building here pretty soon. Oh, look at that. Got a Nissa, Steward of Elements, which I actually cracked one of her at the pre-release. And I do use Planeswalkers in my decks. Usually just something to distract my opponent from dealing damage to me. Kind of have to worry about something else. I never really used them as a win condition, but my second game, Nissa, came through and won the game for me, which is pretty sweet. It's the only time I've won with Planeswalker. So this is my second one of her. Alright guys, well, that's been fun. I'm glad I got a mythic and another Nissa in there. Well, that's going to be it for today, and we'll catch you next time.